Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Happy rainy day.
Happy rainy day. The condition of our car. By the way, it's very early morning and everything is so dirty. हमारा गाड़ी साफ करने वाला भी एक बंदा होता है. He did not came today. So सब कुछ ऐसे ही है. Right now it's 8:41. And we are going to a very beautiful place that complements the weather as well, because it's where we are going, Bantu. Bantu, where we are going?
Actually, we are going to the safari park.
Loudly.
We're going to the safari park.
Dubai Safari Park. Yes, to meet animals. And let's see if it is open or not. And I'm doing vlogging after a long time. This is the
I haven't seen animals in real life for so long.
we have this water puddles everywhere, and let's see what's the condition of the road, because last night it rained so heavily. My God, look at the clouds. कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं ना?
नाश्ता डिस्कवरी से
Yes.
नहीं अपने वाले से करता हूँ राइट का.
This is the condition of the road. The taxi stopped. Where it's gone?
Hope no flooding.
Is it a good decision to go for a long drive, Daddy?
We'll see.
This is our beautiful area. It's all green. My God, look at the clouds. I'm loving it. Look at the water. It is too much, by the way. Vlog आपको इसलिए मज़े का लगने वाला है because you will see a new Dubai. Because after 2 years almost, it rained so heavily. So let's see what will be the roads like, and the view will be. So right now we are here in the IP, going for the breakfast, early morning. Yes, we are going for the breakfast.
No idea where we're going right now. We're going to be
Why it's not raining? By the way, we have our raincoats as well.
in the back.
Yes, of course, क्योंकि बेचारे सारे बाहर खड़े हैं. We have our raincoats. Wait, Daddy, wait.
मिनट में बाहर आए थे पानी पी जाते हैं. बारिश नहीं होती तभी तो ये डेजर्ट्स है.
बारिश नहीं, हाँ ये तो है, दुबई में बारिश भी तो कम होती है.
अगर बारिश होने लगे तो रेत आहिस्ता मिट्टी में तब्दील और फिर सब हो जाए.
But DIP, वैसे ही DIP is comparatively very much green from most of the areas. Look at the clouds. मैं बार आपको clouds इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ because दुबई में ऐसा weather बहुत कम होता है. By the way, if you are in Dubai and you need to buy a raincoat, you must go to Daiso, or you can check the Carrefour as well. Sometimes Carrefour have, or sometimes they don't. Otherwise, the very good option is all the discount shops. You can check there as well. This is the one pump in DIP. रोड्स की हालत ख़राब है, जहाँ पे आपको 8 बजे नाश्ता मिल जाता है. अदरवाइज़ द अदर वन जो स्टेशन है यहाँ पे DIP में, वहाँ पे नाश्ता मिलता ही नहीं है. So we are here at Enoch. The cautions is written there. Slow down for water ponds. And this is our...
It's that's the one that's on that thing.
Yes. Oh my God. Look at the McDonald's is closed.
You must always obey, and while you're flooding, make sure.
This is closed. Yes, I know how dirty our car.
It's the most dirtiest cat I've ever seen.
Our car is very dirty as well. Look at this dirt. Look at this. Do not touch, huh? Baby, please don't jump. Don't jump.
Remember when we go to Expo Country and we feel the water that is actually not real? It was on the wall.
Chalo, move.
Go to your right.
Come, come, come. Baby seat ले लेते हैं. Is that sun? नहीं यार, अभी तो देख नहीं थी बारिश. What he is doing? ये क्या कर रहा है? इसकी बस खराब है. तो he is not allowing anyone to come in this lane.
Why?
वो बस
थोड़ी लग गई.
खराब है, उसने नहीं सुनी. हाँ, बिकॉज उसके पास कुछ वो क्या होता है हैजर्ड्स के लिए वो ऐसे रखते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? द कोन शेप लाइक. तो यू नो स्लिपरी है, तो दैट्स क्या बकवास है. तो प्यारा लग रहा है ना, ग्रीन.
Welcome